It thought twice, Lexy.
That cookie
Look
right
at
there.
that little bird right there.
Ah, it's so cute. Look at that one. Look at that one. Look at it. That little tiny one. That must be like so close to you.
Anyone else? Come right here.
Crunch it up. Crunch up. Crunch it up.
Alright. Three.
Crunch it up.
Let's see what's bird coming.
Look. Look how close I was to that shit.
Not even playing.
You having fun with this, Destiny?
It's education. It's wildlife.
I wonder if I lay down and put cookies all over me.
Oh, do that shit. Oh, that be one of the dares. You have to go in public where you know where birds be at. Punch a whole bunch of cookies around and whoever clicks that dare, lay their ass down and sprinkle all that shit on them and then see what happens.
Don't. When you do that, that's when they back up.
I'm gonna just
Bus here. Time.
Oh, Destiny calling them.
Hey, you messing up my video. Come on, man. Crush that goddamn cookie. That motherfucker said, you better crush my shit up.